guys, it's Kristen from blissmakes.com. Today we're going to create a super fun and spooky haunted front porch. The first thing that we're going to decorate is the front door. We're going to create some boards out of paper and a sign that says "Keep Out" to create a really fun and creepy effect. After that, we're going to use some paper to cut out bats that we'll use to decorate the entire front door. This is some bulletin board paper by Fadeless. It's already got the lines that we need, so I'm just going to follow along the pre-printed guide. Each board is going to be about 1 to 2 feet. To add the paper boards, apply 4 pieces of duct tape to the back of all 4 corners of the board. Holding the piece of paper flat, adhere it to the door. Arrange these boards in an erratic fashion. To draw the bats, I'm just freehanding using a pencil. Each portion of the wing will have 2 points. I'll draw some ears in the center and then go back to making the points. 2 more points and then 1 long point to make the feet. Now that we've sketched our bat stencils, we're going to go ahead and cut them out. Now we've created 3 different sized bat stencils that we're going to use to draw the rest of our bats. I use each one on a different shade of paper and just trace them so we get consistent sizes throughout. To adhere the bats to the front door, apply a small roll of duct tape to the back of the bat and then gently place it onto the door. Arrange the bats so that they're flying in an upward motion towards the top of the door. The next thing that we're going to do is use branches, which we'll spray paint black, and then little foam balls to create eyeballs, and we'll decorate the sides of the door with that. To create your eyeball, dip your paintbrush in paint and create a circle. Once you have the baseline for your circle, go ahead and let it dry. The goal is to make sure that we cover all of the white. After the paint is dried, go ahead and use your black paint pen to draw a circle to create an iris. I like to use the paint pen because it gives me a little bit more control on this part. To attach our eyeballs to the branches, we're going to add a light dollop of hot glue to the back and then attach it to the branch. And this is our decorated spooky front porch, made by Kristen.